Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. In today's video we are working with the beautiful brand LINJER, one of my favorite brand that we worked previously also, and I love their pieces so much. So today I have some new jewelry pieces to share with you and talk a little bit about the brand. So these are the packaging that they have. They're so feminine, so pretty. I love this pink and gold packaging, and each of their pieces comes separately, nicely packed, beautifully presented, just perfect. So I love the presentation because in this way I can easily gift it to someone without worrying of making another package. I can just place an order and directly ship to my friends or my family, whoever I want to gift it, because they already look so beautifully packed. And also I love for myself having something that comes this beautifully. You guys know that how much I love jewelry pieces that are dainty but sparkly, and LINJER is a brand that I was always eyeing, and I had many of their pieces on my wish list, and I'm so happy and excited to be working with my favorite brand and share with you all the beauty of the brand, also talk about the pieces that I love and why I love them so much. I also have a coupon code for you guys. With that you can save some when you shop. So I will share the link and the coupon code in the description box below, and also that will be showing in the screen right here, so you can buy your favorite pieces and also use the discount code to get the best price for your beautiful pieces. I love the fact that with every little jewelry piece you get to have this little story, signature of their co-founder, their sustainability, their material, care and warranty. So all details are here. You don't have to go to the website and read all those details. You can have it with each packaging, but you can definitely anytime go to the website and read their blogs, read their stories, which is so good. So this time around I picked up this kind of silver pieces. I picked up this silver ring this time because I really was looking for a silver tiny band to wear with to layer it with my diamond rings that are in white gold. So they are a little bigger. All my diamonds ring, when I want to wear them on my ring finger, they becomes a little tiny bit loose. So I got two different rings here. You see these two. So I got these two rings right here. So they're so beautiful. They shine really well and they're just the perfect size. So I can actually wear them alone, or if I want I can just wear them on the top of my diamond ring that is in white gold. That is the reason I got this, and I think they're so beautiful. I always loved mixing my jewelry pieces, mixing metals, but recently I'm more towards silver, maybe because it is summer, or also I think it's the trend right now. I'm more leaning towards silver pieces, and I think they're so beautiful. One of the rings that I was looking forward to, that is this leaf ring. You see that, how beautiful it is. I can tell you that the camera is not doing justice at all. This ring is super beautiful in person. I'm so glad that I picked it up. First of all, what I really love about LINJER is it's founded by a female owner, and also they work towards women empowerment, which is just so amazing. This brand has the most elegant classic pieces, and also they are so time appropriate. Their pieces are made in a way that pretty much with every outfit they matches so beautifully. You can wear them in your daily regular work, regular outing, at home comfortably, and also you can style them when you're going in for an evening out or for any special occasion. They're so versatile, they're so comfortable to wear. That is the main reason I love this brand so much. LINJER provides the luxury level, luxury quality pieces for a really affordable price. They don't have any middleman, and that is the reason they can give you the best price, because they directly provide the consumers, which is amazing. And I love their packaging. So I have their gold vermeil pieces and they are like so sturdy. The pieces that I got a couple of months back, I still use them all the time and they are sustaining their colors so well. Gold vermeil pieces use sterling silver and they are 22 karat gold plated, which is 5 times more thicker. So I came to know that their gold vermeil pieces are made of sterling silver and then they are gold plated with 22 karat gold, which is a very thick layer, so that makes their jewelry pieces really sturdy and their colors are like they stay forever. So this brand actually has both pure gold and gold plated jewelries. They have silver and they have silver plated, they have white gold, so they have all different varieties and they have similar or exactly same design for diamonds and their other gemstone, and also they have 100% pure liquid gold, as well as they have the same design for their gold vermeil pieces. So you can buy exact same jewelry pieces for many different metals, which can actually save you a lot. Even though I love pure gold and diamonds, but there are times when I want to buy a trendy piece and I totally feel like that I will not be wearing them forever, maybe for a couple of months, and in that time I really want to buy something good quality, but also I don't want to spend huge amount of money, and LINJER actually helps you in those cases. They have tennis bracelet and tennis necklace that I showed you previously. They're so sparkly, so beautiful, especially for the tennis necklace. When you buy for diamonds, they're so expensive, and I don't see myself wearing a tennis necklace, you know, every single day, so I don't really want to spend so much money on. And I got one from LINJER, which I love so much, and I wear that all the time. I get so many compliments each time I wear it. I love the fact that they use recycled gold and the silver material, which makes the product more sustainable. I really respect how much they value sustainability. They use recycled gold and silver. They also use recycled material for their packaging, which is just so amazing. Their diamonds are conflict-free, lab-grown, and one thing is so beautiful that their pieces are super sparkly. They are dainty but sparkly, so it's not, when you wear their jewelry pieces, you don't look like you're overdoing, but you look beautiful. It showcases actually your beautiful personality, which I love so much. This is very sparkly. I'll try to show you in a different lighting, but you know, this piece is one of the best. And one thing, I really wanted to have one of the rings for my, you know, the index finger, especially on my right hand, because right hand index finger, for some reason it is a bit, you know, bigger than the other of all of my fingers. So most of the ring don't fit here, but you know, this ring, because it is open in the middle, so it is just so easy to wear in any of your finger. Yeah, and how beautiful it looks. Like, this is a very unique design. This is one of their most popular pieces, and I'm so happy that now I have that in my collection. If you pick anything from LINJER, that is completely your choice, but I'll highly recommend to, you know, pick this beautiful ring. Don't miss that. This is so beautiful. Even in the picture, I loved it, but I didn't know this will be this much gorgeous. I love it, and because it is open in the middle, I love that if I wear a single stone ring, it will pop through that and it will look even more unique and nicer. They have another leafy ring which is not open in the middle. That is beautiful too, so I'm just looking forward to grab that next time, because I have a couple of more of their pieces on my wish list, so definitely going to grab them soon. Last but not the least, I have the most gorgeous piece for today, which I am sharing at the end. I hope, oh, this is so beautiful. This is the most beautiful ring I ever had, and you see, this is the ring. So this is the Blue Topaz ring, and look how beautiful it is. Again, this ring, when I saw in their website, I knew it would be a nice ring, but in person, you have to see this in person. This is the most beautiful ring. So precious. So this is their Blue Topaz. You can also get them in white gold, but for some reason I felt like I loved it in gold color. So it is gold vermeil and Blue Topaz. You can also go for pure gold, or you can go for white gold, whatever you prefer. I don't mind wearing the gold vermeil because their quality is just wonderful, and they are just so easy to buy. You don't have to spend tons of money for your gold vermeil pieces, and it's more affordable, right? So you can totally go for that. But this Blue Topaz, oh, I cannot take my eyes off this ring. I also showed you last time I got a Blue Topaz ring from them, another design I'll be showing you here. So that ring got so many compliments, so many, and after that I just wanted to pick all their Blue Topaz, any kind of Blue Topaz that they have. This is stunning. This looks just absolutely amazing. I have so many blue dresses. You don't really need to wear blue dresses for Blue Topaz, but for some reason I feel like blue dress, Blue Topaz, or white dress, Blue Topaz will look just beautiful. So I'm going to wear it all summer. I'm so happy. Yeah, so I just can't stop talking about LINJER. This brand is just beautiful. Along with their jewelry pieces, they also have jewelry cases. Last time I got one of their smallest case, which I love so much travel friendly. They have different kind of jewelry cases that you can look for. They're so good quality. I love that. And also they have their name LINJER written in the jewelry boxes, which makes it even more special. So these are the rings that I got. I love them so much. They're so beautiful. I'm going to end my video here today, but before that I would remind you again, use my link in the description box below. You will find the brand LINJER, and also don't forget to use my coupon code. You get to save some when you shop, which is amazing. Also, before I end this video here today, I want to let you know they have beautiful pearl jewelries. I am eyeing a couple of them, so I'll highly recommend to check their pearl pieces. I am sure they're going to be really good. I will grab few soon, and I will be coming back with you with my new pieces. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what you loved and what not, what you're going to pick next time. If you already have some LINJER pieces, let me know all the details. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and TikTok. Everything is linked in the description box below, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.